3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey, YouTube! Back with a quick guide with a new update in the strongest Battlegrounds. Did you know there's a new exclusive emote you can get for free? That's right, no money or kill farming needed. The emote is called NIGHTCHILD, and it's unlocked by witnessing the Aurora Borealis in the game. Here's how you do it. First, go to your settings and enable the day-night cycle feature. Once that's on, you need to find the Aurora Borealis, which is marked by a special badge on the game page. The emote itself is super cool, featuring a wing design that fans say looks inspired by Souls-like games or even certain RNG titles. To spot the Aurora Borealis, you can either AFK in a server with the feature enabled or keep hopping servers until you find it. Some players also suggest teaming up with friends who might spot it first so you can join their server and claim the emote instantly. It's completely free, so don't miss out on grabbing it while it's available. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below.